Good morning, dear students. I welcome you all in computer class. We are going to learn about copying and moving data of chapter number 6, that is more on spreadsheet. That is the part 3rd video of your chapter number 6, more on spreadsheet. Okay, so let's start it. So first of all, what is copying and moving? Okay, so the copying means duplicating the data from one cell to another cell. Okay, it's basically defined for duplicating or any changes in your text or a number. Okay, so here's the definition of copying: duplicating data either in the same worksheet or in a different worksheet, which means that you can copy data from one worksheet and paste it to the another worksheet also. Okay, and what about moving? Moving is pasting a data from one worksheet to another worksheet by changing its position. Okay, so here's the definition also describing it, that changing the position of data either in the same worksheet or in the different worksheet, which means that you can change the data place position from worksheet to another worksheet. Okay, and you can easily do that by practical approach. I'm showing you that. Okay, just listen to that. Okay, so here's our data, and how you can copy it: just simply select the cell and select the data. Okay, I'm selecting this one data. Okay, 67, and here's the option. Right, whenever you click on the right click on that, you see the option. The first one is cut and the second one is copy. So I'm copying the data from one cell to another cell. So just copy it and select the another one, the empty cell, and the paste on this. And here you can see that your data will be pasted. Okay, so this one, that one. Okay, you can see that. Let me increase the size of this cell so you can see that. Okay, so here you can see that your data is copied. Okay, let me undo it. And now suppose you want to move or cut the data from one cell to another cell, changing the position, that is moving the data. So just select the cell, cut, and select another empty cell and just paste it here. Okay, so just paste it. Let me size increases. Yeah, so you can see that. Okay, so my data is now pasted from one place to another place. Okay, so that's how you can change the position of your data from one cell to another cell. You can also do that by changing the position from one worksheet to another worksheet. Just like suppose that my worksheet name is book 1, so you want to place some kind of data from book 1 to book 2, that is another worksheet. You can create it. Okay, you can create it a new worksheet and you just have to copy that data to particular worksheet. Okay, so you can easily do that just clicking on the right click on the data and selecting the data, and cut and copy is the option of moving and copying your data. Okay, I hope you understood very well about that. So go for your presentation slides. So here you can see that how you can move the data and how you can copy the data. Next one, we have the steps you have to be follow from one place to another place. Okay, how you can do that? Just click on the right click and here you can range, select on the range. If you want to copy more data, then how you can do that? Just go for your practical approach and just undo it. Okay, just one. Okay, so if I'm want to copy this whole data, and how you can do that? Just right click on that and copy and select another one, just like from this, and paste it here. Okay, so paste it here. So you can see that your whole data is now copied to another cells. Okay, so in that way you can change the data position also. I hope you understood about this. So now go on to the slides, and here is the features of line, how you can clipboard the copy. Copy means copying the data from clipboard. These are the steps how to move the data from one side to another slide. You can simply follow these steps also, and you can also use the right click approach. Okay, right click approach is a very easy approach to understand the copying and moving the data in your Excel spreadsheet. Okay, so what is about the using autofill feature? Autofill feature is basically to enter data very quickly in your worksheet. Okay, you can enter data very quickly in your worksheet by approaching the autofill feature. Okay, it can fill the data automatically. Okay, so I'm showing you regarding the practical approach, how you can follow these steps and how you can implement in your computer. Okay, so please mark it. First B answer is there. Okay, the first B answer is there, so you can mark it. Okay, the first B question is that define the autofill feature, and you have to be write the answer from this one. Okay, So go for the autofill feature in your this one. Okay, so let me show you this one. So I'm just want to select this one data. I'm selecting this one. So let me show you how the autofill feature is working. Okay, firstly you have to follow these kinds of steps. First, go for the plus sign. Okay, you can see that on the screen my plus sign is visible now. Plus sign is visible. Just drag the plus sign to the empty cells and you can see that your data is now autofilled. Autofilled means that all the data will be copied from the one cell to another cells by selecting those cells. Okay, आप जितने भी सेल्स को सिलेक्ट करोगे उन सब में एक ही तरह का डेटा आपका ऐड हो जाएगा. ये हम तब करते हैं जब हमें टोटल मार्क्स लेने होंगे कि जस्ट सपोज कि आपने 80 मार्क्स आपने हर सब्जेक्ट में लेने और आपको पास थाउजेंड्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स का डेटा है, तो आप इसको ऐसे कॉपी कर सकते हैं जिसमें आपको हर एक रो में आपको टोटल मार्क्स तो 80 ही चाहिए. ओके, तो टोटल मार्क्स आपके 80 ही आएंगे, तो इस तरह से आप उसको सेलेक्ट कर सकते हो. ओके, यू कैन चेंज द डेटा अकॉर्डिंग टू योर नीड. ओके, so I'm just repeating it. Okay, just go for the plus sign and whenever you show the plus sign just drag and drop the data. जितनी भी कॉलम्स और रोज आप सेल्स सेलेक्ट करोगे उस सभी में सेम डेटा कॉपीड हो जाएगा. ओके, एंड दैट्स हाउ द autofill features is worked. Okay, it enter data quickly. As you can see that autofill options also there. Okay, you can select the options according to your need. I hope you understood about that. Okay, so move on that particular field, and next one slide is about the autofill feature steps are also given out there. You can easily do that by on your computer. Okay, and here's the third A answer is there one. Okay, third A answer, what is the function and how the function is different from the formula. This one answer is there. Okay, you can mark on your books and write on your notebooks. Okay, for this class it's done. Your chapter number 6 is totally complete, and your following exercise will you have to be solved, and I will give it to you screenshot, or you can say that particular pictures regarding the exercise, solved exercise. Okay, so thank you for today.